Hey everybody, it's Vanderschot here, broker of record owner at Brand Realty Group, and I've got some fantastic news. Right now, I'm standing in front of the new home of your next great business idea. So, it's time to fire your boss and come check out this plaza here at 1541 9th Avenue East. A beautiful corner location with a ton of traffic going by. Let's go on in, check it out, and see what you think. Divided into two units, one being 1,566 square feet and the other being 2,580 square feet. This is an awesome place to create some income, or if you just want to lease it out, it's available for lease as well. Just a few personal touches, this place would be perfect for your business with very high traffic counts on 9th Avenue East and amazing parking, which is tough to find in the scenic city. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, being for sale, for lease, this is a great opportunity to add to your business portfolio or get yourself started off. All right, guys, call me soon. Oh, I'm sorry. I was too busy looking at your potential customers.
What's that smell?
Smell? That's opportunity. We don't need to colonize Mars. Look at all the space we've got here. You've got that on camera.
I haven't stopped.